Okay guys, welcome back to Perez Capital. As you guys know, I called the bullish push on USD last week and the bearish push on USD CHF. So let me show you guys that video just so you guys can see. So right now my prediction, I'm going to tell you guys just so you guys can see. It's not 100% guaranteed, but it's what I'm looking at right now. The Friday it had a rejection right here, but I don't think it's going to instantly push up, and if it does, I'm looking for a break above this level. If it breaks this level, I'm telling you guys right now, in the 1 hour, then I'm looking to put my stop loss right down here and then just ride it up maybe 50 pips. And then what else? You guys can look at this. It's like free signals, right? I'm looking for also, so either two things can happen. I'm looking for it to just have a nice big break above here, stop loss down here, or I'm looking for it to come back with the pullback into this zone right here, and then a nice push to the upside. But like I said, it's nothing guaranteed. It's just what I'm looking to towards for what will happen. So yeah, let's go over to the US CHF chart. If you guys are trading USD CHF, look for it to come back for a pullback right here, and then write it down for another bearish momentum. Yeah, and then write it down for sells. Look for sells if you're in USD CHF. Don't look for buys unless it breaks this level hard, and then look for a nice pullback here and then push to the upside. But unless it breaks this second level here, don't look for buys. Okay, so in the video you see that this is my range right here, and I was looking for a bounce back and a push towards the upside, which is what happened perfectly nicely. So right now these are the levels I'm going to be looking at. So right now, as you can see, USD had a nice double bottom. It completed the double bottom right now, but I'm still looking for pushes to the upside. So if we go to the 4 hour, let me show you guys some important levels. This was an important level that just passed last week. This is a important level to break. If it didn't break, it was going to go down, but it had a hard push towards the upside, which means that right now I'm still bullish on USD. So let me show you guys another level that I'm looking at. So on the 1 hour, if this plays out nicely, which I'm hoping it does, I'm looking for a push back down here, and then a nice rejection towards the upside to catch hopefully 50 pips. Yeah, so this is what you guys should be looking for in your USD. Just close in below this level, even above this wick too. Just close below this wick, and then a nice 1 hour close above. Yeah. So on the 4 hour, another key level that I have drawn out right now is this level right here. What I'm looking for is, if it doesn't pull back here, or even if it does, a break above here and then a close below and then a break above, I'm looking for it to be bullish. Yeah. So, but if it breaks down below this level, which I don't think it will, right here, then I'm going to be looking for sells on your USD, but I don't think that's going to happen. So right now I'm bullish on your USD. And remember guys, this isn't like 100% accurate. Make sure to follow your rules and your trading style, right? This is just what I'm looking for. So if we go to USD CHF, you guys remember I had my levels drawn out here, and it pulled back nicely right here on the Monday. It came up and then it gave a nice bearish push. So this week, what I'm looking for, I have my levels drawn out already. So these two lines right here, I'm looking for the 1 hour to come back up here, which it probably will, and I'm not going to enter unless it has a 1 hour close below this area, this line right here. If it does, then I'm going to be looking for sells. I'm also going to be looking for it to come up to this line right here, or this area right here. Remember, that's not just a line, it's like an area, right? As long as it has a bullish close close to this area and then a strong bearish push, then I'm going to look for sells. But if it closes above the red line, then I'm looking for is a close below the red line for sells. And now the third red line that I have right here is, if it closes above this line, then what I'm going to be looking for is a pullback and then bullish movement. So if you guys, so as you can see, if we go to the 4 hour, it looks like it's forming a double bottom right now, which is why I say if it closes above here, then a pullback and push towards the upside. But if it doesn't, then purely look for sells, because this is what happened here last week, right? It looked like it was forming a double bottom, but I had my levels drawn out. I knew what I was looking for, and it sold perfectly. So yeah, so USD CHF, I'm still bearish unless it breaks above this level or has a bullish close near this level. Then I'm going to be looking for buys. So let's go to the last chart on GBP USD.